If you finished editing your project in CapCut on PC and you're ready to save it as a video file, this video will show you exactly how to export it quickly and correctly. I'll walk you through the simple steps so you can finish your edit, choose the right settings, and get your final video out of CapCut without confusion. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. Once your clips are arranged and your edit is complete on the timeline, look to the top right corner of the CapCut window. You'll see a blue export button there. This is the main button you need to start the export process. Click that export button to open the export settings window. Now you'll see the project export options. Here, you can choose the settings for your finished video, depending on the quality and format you want. Take a moment to review the export options carefully so your final video comes out the way you want it. If you're exporting for YouTube, social media, or sharing with friends, this is the stage where you make sure everything is set properly before creating the final file. Once you've selected your project settings and you're happy with them, go ahead and click Export again. CapCut will begin rendering your video and saving it to your computer. Depending on the length of your video and the power of your PC, this may take a little time, so just let the process finish. After that, your exported video will be ready to use, upload, or share wherever you need it. And that's it. That's how to export a video from CapCut on PC. If this helped you out, please like the video, subscribe for more CapCut tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.